We use this exact workflow to book over 30 meetings in 1 month from cold outreach. Not because we wrote new copy, not because we sent more emails, but because we stopped building lists the old way. Prospeo just launched Prospeo V2, and it's no longer just email validation, guys. It's now a lead gen engine that helps you build a verified list from scratch and allows you to push it straight into your favorite sequencer. In this video, I'll walk you through the workflow we used, and at the end, I'll show you the 2 secret KPIs that tell you whether your list can actually produce meetings or never will. Back in the days, people scraped Apollo or other providers, exported a giant CSV and just blasted it. The issue is a lot of that data is stale. People move jobs, emails are catch-all, phones aren't active, and so on. And bad data just doesn't waste your time. It also creates high bounce rates, domain damage, waste of time, and just generate no results. So the solution is quite simple. Fix the list first, then your campaign might actually deliver you results, guys. Prospeo has always been associated with good data quality. I mean, they're in the top 3 default providers of the email waterfall in Clay, so that tells you a lot. But what's new with their V2 is they now turn that quality into an actual lead gen engine. You can now search, filter, pull verified contact, and push them directly into a sequence. Here's how to do that in 4 steps. Step 1 is your ICP. Keep it tight. Even if you're targeting multiple industries, let's say e-com, SaaS, and agencies, create one list for each. For our list, let's go with location. Let's do United States. Headcount, let's do 10 to 100. And then industry, let's do legal services. Then, if your time is too big, I always add qualifying filters or signals like headcount growth. Right? So we can go to headcount growth and say we only want companies that have grown 20% in the last 12 months. Simply because it's a sign that those companies are more likely to have money to test new things. There's plenty of other signals we could have actually tried. We could have also looked whether they're using specific tech stack. Are they using Cantly to take on sales calls? You can see there's a bunch of companies there. If they were a SaaS, we could have looked at specific funding rounds and stages. Or if they're hiring for, let's say, a marketing manager, if you're offering marketing services. All of those signals reinforces why those companies might be more of a fit for your campaigns. You're basically filtering for right fits and right moments, or at least most likely better timing, as I like to call it. Now that I have my list of company, you should go ahead and save those, right? So you select all of your company, apply, click add to your list, and there you go. For me, I've already done this, so let's head straight into step 2. For step 2, you want to click on people, head to company, click on bulk include, and then you want to choose a list from Prospeo, and here you should have your list. You click on include company from the list, and now all of your companies are overlaid onto people, right? So you're only going to be finding people at those companies. Now that we have successfully imported our companies into the people search, let's go look for our personas directly within those accounts. Those could be the decision makers, the product champion, people inside the buying committee, etc. You can either search those people directly with their job title, like CEO, founder, managing partner, etc., or simply by actually looking at the departments that they have. So let's say C-suite people, finance, or marketing. So you could say you only want people in marketing that are, let's say, manager. And now all of a sudden you have all of the marketing managers at those companies. This is where the V2 already beats the scrape era mindset, because you're not just pulling random people. You're building a clean list of accounts that match your ICP. Doing it this way avoids contacting irrelevant leads and keeps your list super clean. By the way, guys, I recommend you to create lists that are segmented. So if you have 4 personas within your companies, please create 4 lists, right? If you're targeting the CEO, the head of marketing, and the marketing manager, create 3 different lists. This will help you have unique copy per industry and per persona. So please segment your list for both the people and the companies. This will help increase your reply rates. Now, here is step 3, the most important part. I'm going to head directly into contact details and click on verified only. In Prospeo V2, you can filter directly for contacts that have a verified emails and for contacts that have a verified mobile if you need your reps to call them. So you could select N. So you're not just scraping lists and then discovering that half of your list is actually unusable. You're building the list from verified data. The reason why this matters is because looks valid isn't the same as performs in the real world. Prospeo's quality is built around deeper verification and filtering risky patterns, like catch-all emails. Plus, they refresh their data often, so you know that the emails are more likely to land in inbox and your cold dials are more likely to connect. Once your lists are verified, select everyone into your list and directly export into your favorite CRM, sequencer, or other tools which are coming soon. All of that in one click. Then you can build your campaign on top of clean data. Clean data alone won't replace good messaging, but it finally gives your campaign a fair shot. So make sure to craft a great message and offer. If you don't know how, reach out to me on YouTube or LinkedIn. I'm more than happy to help. All right, as promised, to wrap this video up, here are the two numbers that tell you if your data is working. Bounce rate, if it's over 2%, something is wrong. Call connect rate, if it's below 10%, something is wrong. If this number improves from your previous workflows now that you use Prospeo, you didn't just find more leads, you just fixed the foundations. Remember, today the workflow we use is find companies, layer signal, find people, turn verified only, export to your sequencer, and then track the performance. That's it. Prospeo isn't just an email validator anymore. It's a lead gen engine built around data quality. If you want to see it for yourself, the link to try the V2 is in the description below. And if you want us to run such campaign at scale 100% done for you, get in touch. Cheers.